Hi there, I'm Jason Mounts. I'm a dentist here in Central Arkansas, and I've been practicing here for about 20 years now. Over the years, I've had lots of interesting conversations with patients, some discussing problems with their teeth, some talking about travel or sports, and sometimes just fairly random. But I had one the other day that I wanted to share with you because I thought it was pretty interesting. I was talking to a patient and they were asking me if I had been busy lately, and I kind of laughed and said, well, we're pretty much always busy. But then I paused for a second because that's not always true. I think we have like variations in the busyness. And he thought that was kind of interesting. And he said, well, I didn't think of dentistry as being seasonal. Well, it's not really seasonal, but when you're dealing with people's schedules, it kind of is. So in September, late August, early September, we generally slow down quite a bit, mostly because we have a lot of people that are families. And then we, as the families are trying to get back into school, things just kind of slow down for them. They're trying to figure out their schedules and everything, especially with the kids. And so on our side of it, it tends to slow down a little bit because people aren't really sure when they can come in and get things done. But after that happens, when you start rolling into October, especially by the time you hit Halloween, we really get busy from there through the end of the year. And one of the main reasons that is some of it's from catching up from that September lag there. But most of it is actually because of dental insurance. You know, most people don't realize it, but with your dental insurance plans, you have a set amount of money every year that you can spend. And if you don't use it by the end of the year, then it's just gone, and then you roll into the next year. So a lot of patients, when we're having those conversations with them and they've got some things that they know need to be done, but they've been putting them off a little bit, the conversation tends to go, well, if you've got some benefits left over for this year, you may want to go ahead and use those so that you don't just end up losing them. So that's one of the main reasons that this time of the year is super busy for us. So for you, if you've been, if you know you've got some things that are needing to be done, you got some teeth that have not been doing great, and you've been putting it off a little bit, you may want to check into that. Now might be the best time to take care of those things. I've got a great staff, a great group of people around me that are really helpful with the insurance stuff too. So if you want to give us a call, give us an idea of what you're looking to do, and give us a little bit of information about your insurance, we can help you walk through that, decide if it's better to get things done before the end of the year, or if it's better to just take care of things after everything's rolled over in January. But either way, we've got 2 locations. We're here to help. We've got one in Little Rock, one in North Little Rock, and we're just here to help you with whatever kind of issues you've got going on. So feel free to give us a call or get on the website. You can even set up an appointment or make inquiries there.